Hi friends, welcome to ITeePK. Today I am going to show you how we can enable Active Directory Recycle bin on Windows Server. And later on I will show you how we can restore the deleted objects including users, security groups or organizational units. Please log in to your Windows Server domain controller with an administrator account. You can enable Active Directory Recycle bin with PowerShell as well as by going to Active Directory Administrative Center from Tools menu. So I will later on create a video how to do it via PowerShell, but for now let's see it with Active Directory Administrative Center. Once you are in Active Directory Administrative Center overview, you have to go to here on the domain your server have, and then you have your option for enable recycle bin. So before enabling recycle bin, let me tell you something that once this recycle bin will be enabled, this could not be disabled later on. Basically, we can say that this feature is hard coded on your Windows Server domain, and this could not be removed later on. One thing more you have to check here is your forest functional level. Your Windows Server forest level should be at least 2008. So to check the forest functional level, you can directly check it from here as well. You can also check it from Active Directory domains and trust. So let's click on raise the forest functional level and see current forest function level is Windows Server 2016. So this forest is operating at the highest possible functional level. Forest. For more information on forest functional level, click help. So I'm fine with this. That's perfect. I've confirmed the forest function level as well. So now let's go ahead and click on enable recycle bin. Are you sure you want to perform this action? Once recycle bin has been enabled, it cannot be disabled. So we have already discussed that. I'm ready to OK. Now it is saying that this will going to refresh the Active Directory Administrative Center now, and this will show me the deleted button and somewhere here. So let's go ahead and click OK. Now let's go ahead and try to refresh this, and we should get this deleted object folder here. That's perfect. So now if I browse to deleted object container, this is empty. Now let's go ahead to Active Directory and I will try to show you the demo of deleting users and how we will get them into recycle bin. Active Directory users and computers. In here, let's go ahead and create a new organizational unit. Let's name the organizational unit. I will name this organizational unit training, and I am unchecking this box protect container from accidental deletion because I am going to delete this later on because I am only showing you for a test demo. Okay, let's say let me quickly create a few users here. Okay, now I have created a trainee organizational unit. I have created a trainee security group. I have created two users, Rob and Lori here, and I am going to add these two users into a trainee group here. Let's do that as well. Okay, now I have added Lori and Rob into a trainee group also. Okay, now let's go ahead and let's say we have deleted a training group, right? Both users, and also we are going to delete training organizational unit. So let's say if these users or organizational unit or a group is deleted accidentally, or you have deleted it on your choice, and then you need these users or group or organizational unit back, you can just go directly to Active Directory Administrative Center, and here we already have enabled our recycle bin. And in our recycle bin, you can see that these are the deleted object we have in our recycle bin. So now if you want to restore any one of them, you can right click and directly go to restore. But here our target is to restore all of these, including group, organizational unit, and the users. So once you have selected all of these, you can directly go to restore, or you can go to restore to. You can right click here and you will get these both options here. Also, if you want to restore to any other location, you can also go to restore to, but I want here to restore them on the same location. So let's click on restore, and that's perfect. These users, organizational unit, and the security group should be restored here. Yeah, you can see these users, group, and organizational unit is successfully restored. So that's it about today's simple and to the point tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Take care. Bye.